Okay, we're at Compass Point on Perdido Key. We got our Perdido paddleboard trailer sitting on the beach. We're about halfway down the key. That's county access, public access number 3. Going this way, that's the state beach. Jim. Yeah, it's right across this River Road. Is that one? New condo. That's what that's called. Yeah. Florencia. That's Florencia. So looking from here, you're looking out over Old River that way. Can't really see. And then Ono Island is beyond the houses beyond that. Take a look at the trailer from the other side here. So this is the paddleboard trailer. We deliver in the trailer. Sometimes we just use the truck. So anywhere you want to board out in this area, all the way from Fort Morgan on into Florida here. Call us, get aboard. It's 251-597-7736. Theboardlife.com is the website. Going to give a view of the beach here while we're at the beach. A blustery day on the beach. We're February 13, I believe. February 13 today. We're still in our off season. This property here is the site of a condominium that got took down in Ivan. Compass Point is the name of this property. You see the state beach starts right there. That runs down for about a mile or so, and then there's another state beach a little further down, another state parking lot. That's the county access there. One of our large residents, the great blue herons, hanging on the beach looking for a treat. See the Alright, we're going to end this video now. We'll build more trailer later.